Welcome back. PA Sheri here with Rejuvenate 528. We're going to do a microneedling treatment for neck rejuvenation and décolleté rejuvenation. This is a great procedure because there's not a lot of things we can do for regeneration of the neck, for lifting of the neck to help smooth out these necklace bands that we tend to get, or the new thing what we're calling is tech neck, because we're all tilting our head down, looking at our phones, looking at our computers and tablets. So they're now calling this tech neck, and we start getting these bands at a very young age. So we just did a microneedling of her face, collagen induction therapy. We're going to stimulate collagen, we're going to improve glow, improve blood flow, and what we're really trying to do is proliferate those stem cells into the tissue and come in here and really smooth the skin, lift the skin, and create improved contour here. We're going to use these specialized stem cell cytokines. AnteAGE MD has a really cutting edge product here that's used from bone marrow mesenchymal stem cells. In the laboratory, they take this, they make the stem cells grow it on a petri dish, and those emit all the cytokines, messengers, and biosignals that recruit all the stem cells to the area. So we're really trying to increase this collagen like 3,000% with each procedure. The neck can be very challenging. Usually in the past, the only thing we could do was a surgical neck lift. Some people are doing some old therapy, and now there's even a J-plasma device that goes underneath the skin and kind of shrink wraps it. But if you want a less invasive procedure with no downtime, microneedling is one of the #1 things you can do to improve the health and quality of the skin. How's that feel?
Just feel vibration.
Just the vibration?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is a very painless procedure. If it's not a painless procedure, you're going to the wrong person. We use a compounded betacaine lidocaine touch cream specifically designed to penetrate into the skin, to be very smooth and create a very painless procedure. Since she's tolerating this procedure so well, I'm going to increase the depth of my needles. Usually we do anywhere from 0.5 to 2 millimeters in depth. We're going to increase this right now to 1.5 millimeters as her skin's really tolerating it well. Initially we're going to have some pinkness. That's going to continue to improve blood flow. I'm going to see the circulation improve, and our goal is little tiny pinpoint needling. Holes that you see here, and that's how I know I got a really good treatment activating the fibroblasts and cytokines already in the tissue. Once we get the holes and channels that we need, we're going to take this AnteAGE stem cell growth factors. There's no cells in here, there's no risk of infection, no risk of irritation, or any other thing. This has been very tested. There's tons of studies on this product. We now have specialized cytokines that if your plasma, I usually do vampire facials. This is an upgraded procedure from a vampire facial. A lot of people have inflammatory PRP, and that can simply be from one day of stress. It can be one day of bad food. It can be that you went through the airport and triggered the immune system to fight off an infection, so you have some inflammatory markers floating around in the body. When we use this, we know that we have a right amount, the concentrated growth factors that we need for a really good treatment, without any inflammation. No inflammation really means that we're going to heal fast. There's going to be no downtime, and we can use this product on all skin types. No setbacks. We're going to continue on. I really try to make sure that when I'm doing the neck, I'm really doing the posterior neck as well and underneath the ears. When we do the posterior lateral sides of the face, sides of the neck and under the ears, that's when we're really getting the lift from behind, which is so key to creating a smooth contour lifted neck. This is a procedure that can be coupled at the same day, same treatment with the hair rejuvenation. We can also do this the same day as dermal fillers, the same day as Botox, and I often incorporate the vampire facial with a vampire facelift. The difference between the two, a vampire facial or microneedling, is really using some kind of growth factors, whether they be from your own blood plasma or AnteAGE cytokines and growth factors. When we incorporate this with the vampire facelift, we're using this to improve the health and quality of the skin and create lift. The dermal fillers will improve proportion, structure, and support that kind of lift up here and create midline fullness where we need it, temporal hollowing. Or we can use it under acne scars or any other scars to kind of lift up and create that lift. It also improves hydration. So vampire facelift, we would inject dermal fillers, take the growth factors, inject them right on top of the dermal fillers. That improves the longevity of the filler, so it lasts longer. It also, the filler creates a little Vicross structure like this. We put either PRP or the growth factors of the AnteAGE on the top over the filler. That makes all the stem cells come into that area, grow collagen around the structure of the filler, creating lasting results and a better quality looking skin. So tighter skin, better structure, more youthful proportions, and bam, customized treatment. We also want to make sure we get really good underneath the neck here so we're not getting a turkey neck. Some people will have banding of the platysmal band. So we use microneedling to improve the skin and lift the skin around the jawline. And then we just will take a little bit of Botox, inject it into the band. That is called the Nefertiti lift. And that'll really soften that banding and cording that goes down the neck. So the skin won't pull so much going down. Okay, that looks really good on this side. We're going to add a little bit of more of the growth factors. And then we're going to continue on to the other side and then onto the neck. If you have more questions or would like to book a procedure using microneedling or any of the growth factors or PRP, you can give us a call at 941-281-8445. Our website is Rejuvenate528.com, and you can see all of our procedures there, before and after pictures. And just give us a call. We'd love to see you for a complimentary consultation to see if this is the right procedure for you. Thank you.